Let's take a look behind the scenes at where the HSP Rack Pro and Rack JNR is made right here in Australia. Now here you can see one of our Australian manufacturing facilities, and this is where our tub racks and ladder racks come to life. From start to finish, these are 100% made and manufactured in Australia. It's built from a lightweight alloy with a tough powder-coated finish with steel legs. So from start to finish, all of these processes happen right here in Australia. In the same facility, you'll also see where we make our canisters to suit our HSP Roll R cover, and that then goes to our other facility in rural Victoria to finish the process. So that's a small look behind the scenes where HSP goes the extra mile to provide Australian-made and manufactured products. So if you want to learn more, watch some more of our videos on YouTube or head to our website.